Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. It's Christmas time, y'all. It may be a little early to some of you. Some of you already have your decorations up. And some of you are done with your Christmas shopping, but some of you are just starting. You don't have to wait till Black Friday anymore to get your Christmas shopping started. There's all kinds of bargains everywhere, all the time. And I have this really fun toy. I just think it's adorable that I was asked to show you. And here it is. This is the box. And this is called Gift in a Box Kids Purse Kit. My Fashion Purse Kit. Isn't that adorable? It's for ages 3 to 8, they say. I think if you're 9 or 10, you might like this as well. There's 28 pieces. So I wanted to show you the box. So it comes boxed nicely, and it was in an outer package. And then look at this, y'all. How cute is this? It is like pleather. It's nice. You can wash this. Isn't that adorable? And inside, I wanted just to show you how it looked when I took it right out of the box. Everything is wrapped up. So I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna unwrap everything and then come back and show you all the pieces. But look at how nicely that comes packaged. And then inside the bag itself is lined, and it has this strap. So you can make this a crossbody bag, or you could make it just a carry. And look at how cute that is. The fabulous sparkles on the unicorn. It's a unicorn. It's so cute. This would even be cute. I mean, I would carry this with my cosmetics, y'all. I really would. I really would. Because I like whimsy. I like whimsy in my life. Let me come back and unwrap these things. Y'all, I had so much fun unwrapping things because this was just the cutest thing. I just am in love with this bag. It's really well crafted. It's a really well crafted bag. Like I said, just, you know, like a really nice cosmetic carry case, or, you know, whatever you need to carry with you. And then it does have the long strap to make a crossbody or shoulder. And then we have this adorable key ring. This is a unicorn, of course. Isn't that cute? It's I would call this, I think this is like silicone. That's what I would say this is. Look at that cute rainbow horn and a nice key ring. You can put that on your bag, or you could use it elsewhere. And there's a cell phone in here. There's a cute cell phone. It looks like it takes batteries, but there are none in here. This is for ages 3 and up. And you've got your fashion glasses. How cute these are, y'all. How cute are those? Fashion glasses. And you have your remote control and your keys. And this has this tab back here that you pull. And then this is going to do stuff. Oh, look at it. It sounded like it was trying. It's really working. I love that. That is so cute. This is just cracked me up. It just made me laugh so much because it's so cute. And look at this wallet. You've got a nice wallet. And in this wallet, there's a place for your ID and your credit cards. And they do send you a pretty card credit card. They send you a fashion card credit card. And of course, they send you a VIP card. So you can put those right into your wallets. Like this, you know, I would put the VIP in here so that everybody could see that I was a VIP. Whoops, maybe I can't get it in there. Well, anyway, they'll all go in there like that. Cute. And then look at this. They sent money. They sent lots of money, y'all. There's 1s and 5s and 10s. And 20s and a 50. There's a 50, and there's a couple of 50s and a couple of 100s. Look at that. How much fun is that? I love that. And then there are these compact. There's actual makeup in here, y'all. So there is this beautiful compact. And when you open this, there is a mirror on one side. It does have a protection on it right now. And there's your powder, and it has a little powder puff. How cute is that? And then we have an eyeshadow palette, and that's really pretty. And inside there is one of these little brushes, and then look at the pretty colors. Your granddaughter or daughter would love playing with this makeup. And we have a lippy as well, and that looks like it'll be a nice moisturizing lippy. You know, probably won't give much color, but maybe a little bit of color so that they'll feel pretty. And then this thing, look at how cute this is now. And when you open this, there's a mirror on one side, and then it has, this is a hairbrush. Isn't that adorable? And then when you're done, you just push that back in and close it up. So how cute is this gift set? I am in love with this. I just think it's the cutest thing. This is $24.95 on Amazon, and I'll have the link below. And every time I've looked at it, they've had a sale on it. Right now they have 35% off. So it makes it $16.24. But you know, when you check, I'll have the link below. Like I said, I've seen 30% off and I've seen 35% off. So check it out if it's something you think that your girls would like to have. And here's your money again. I love this money. It looks real. It does say copy on it though. But again, we have this beautiful bag. I love the sparkles, and this doesn't come off or anything, you know. And it's just a really nice bag, and you can put all your goodies in it. The hairbrush with the mirror, the makeup, the eyeshadow compact, the powder with the puff. You've got your lippy, you've got your wallets and your credit cards, and don't forget your cash, and your remote control and keys, and your cell phone, and your glasses, and your adorable keyring. And I think I would hang this like out here. And your strap. So thank you so much to Gift in a Box for sending me this adorable toy. I love it. Like I said, age 3 to 8, I would say 9 and 10 is okay with this. And it's just adorable. And y'all, I'll have a link below if you're interested, and count your blessings. Thanks for stopping by. And y'all have a great weekend. Bye-bye.